Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and reset this PC. It has a Windows 8 version and we're going to go ahead and set it back to its factory settings. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so today we're resetting this PC, and the reason we want to do this is because either we're selling the PC or giving it away and you don't want no personal information on this laptop or PC. So what we want to do is reset the Windows 8 to its factory settings. So it's a very easy process. So all we do is just go to our start menu and we type in on the search button, we go ahead and just type in update. So you want to go to your update settings, and the tab you want to go to is update and recovery. This is the section where you have the option to go ahead and reset your PC, which is the second option. Remove everything and reinstall Windows. If you want to recycle your PC or start over completely, you can reset it to its factory settings. So we want to go ahead and do that from there. So you want to go ahead and get started. Just push that button. You want to just wait. So here we have this message saying, here's what will happen. All your personal files and apps will be removed. Your PC settings will be changed back to their defaults. Of course, we want to go ahead and hit next. So in this section, it says, do you want to fully clean your drive? You have an option of just remove my files. Use this if you're keeping your PC. So this is just if you want to make your laptop a little bit faster, just remove junk that you just don't need. Or fully clean the drive. Use this if you recycle the PC. This can take several hours. So of course, we're going to go ahead and get rid of this PC. So we want to fully clean the drive. So this is what we want to do. So we're going to choose that option. Plug in your PC. We can reset your PC while it's running on battery power. So it wants us to go ahead and charge our PC. So as it's resetting the PC, you won't have a power outage and it won't mess up anything inside the PC. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. So once you have your charger plugged in, it gives you the option to reset. We want to go ahead and just hit reset button. And then from there, it's going to restart and do what it has to do. Alright guys, so the process is complete. If you can see here, it's back to its factory settings. Hopefully this video helps. You guys have a great day.